Hello, this is Mrs. C.S. Nirali, Assistant Professor from Food Chemistry and Nutrition Department, KKV College of Food Technology, under course title Biochemistry, course number FCN 112, credits to 1 plus 1. Today we will be seeing regarding minerals, their functions as well as sources. Minerals are substances found in food that your body needs for growth and health. Minerals are necessary for three main reasons. First one, building strong bones and teeth. Secondly, controlling body fluids inside and outside cells. Third, turning the body food you eat into energy. Minerals are found in foods such as meat, cereals. Cereals includes cereal products such as bread even, fish, milk and dairy foods, vegetables, fruits, especially dried fruits as well as nuts. Minerals are of two kinds, macrominerals. Microminerals are trace minerals. It is depending upon the requirement of the body. Macrominerals are minerals that your body needs in larger amounts. That is the reason macro. Your body needs just small amounts of trace minerals or microminerals. That is the reason trace or micro is given to those minerals. Coming to macrominerals includes calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium and chloride. Let's see in tabular form its function as well as sources. Coming to calcium, functions include needed for forming bones and teeth, helps nerves and muscles function. Coming to sources, canned salmon with bones, sardines, milk, cheese, yogurt, cabbage, broccoli and calcium fortified orange juice. Magnesium, needed for forming bones and teeth, needed for normal nerve and muscle function. Sources, green leafy vegetables, nuts, bran, cereal, seafood, milk, cheese and yogurt. Phosphorus, functions needed for forming bones and teeth, needed for storing energy for food. Sources, milk, yogurt, cheese, red meat, poultry, fish, eggs, nuts, peas and some cereals and breads. Potassium, needed for normal nerve and muscle functions, needed for keeping the right amounts of water in the different parts of our body. Sources, milk, bananas, tomatoes, oranges, melons, potatoes, sweet potatoes, prunes, raisins, spinach, turnip greens, collard greens, kale, most peas and beans and salt substitutes, potassium chloride. Sodium, functions needed for normal nerve and muscle functions, needed for keeping the right amounts of water in the different parts of our body. Sources, salt, milk, cheese, beets, celery, beef, pork, sardines and green olives. Chloride, needed for keeping the right amounts of water in different parts of our body. Sources, salt, seaweed, rye, tomatoes, lettuce, celery, olives, sardines, beef, pork and cheese. Coming to trace minerals or microminerals, they include iron, copper, iodine, zinc, fluoride and selenium. Iron, it helps red blood cells deliver oxygen to body tissues, helps muscles functions. Sources, red meats, poultry, fish, liver, soybean flour, eggs, beans, lentils, peas, molasses, spinach, turnip, greens, clams, dried fruit, apricots, prunes and raisins, whole grains and fortified breakfast cereals. Copper helps protect the cells from damage, needed for forming bones and red blood cells. Sources, agar meats, shellfish, especially oysters, chocolate, mushrooms, nuts, beans and whole grain cereals. Iodine, needed for thyroid gland function. Sources, seafood, iodized salt and drinking water in regions with iodine rich soil, which are usually regions near an ocean. Zinc, needed for healthy skin, needed for wound healing, helps your body fight off illnesses and infections. Sources: liver, eggs, seafood, red meats, oyster, certain seafood, milk products, eggs, beans, peas, lentils, peanuts, nuts, whole grains, fortified cereals, wheat germ, and pumpkin seeds. Okay, these are the micro as well as macro minerals and their functions as well as sources. Thank you for your patience listening.